Hi viewers, welcome back. Welcome back to your Odoo ERP tutorials, and also welcome to my channel Learn with Mohit. So in this video we are going to discuss the necessary company setting. So the workflow is when you are going to learn an Odoo ERP, the first step is to create your database. Is in my earlier video I told you that how can you access to the demo Odoo demo database. I told you 2 or 3 methods, and by once you get access to that Odoo demo database, the one which is on the display on my screen, then you can create your own database here. Once you create your database, and then you create your company. Once you create your company, and then you do a necessary company setting. So in this video we are going to do that company necessary setting. So stay with me guys, and I'm going to go to the company setting. So in this screen you will go to the settings. Once you click on the settings, it will take you to the settings screen. From here you can see the user and company setting. Here you will select the company, and once you select the company, this company with the selection of company you can see the already listed companies here. These companies are already made there. So what we do, we are going to create one new company, and in that new company then we will do all the setting from the scratch. So the name of our company is Learn Odoo Urdu. Now the first setting that we give is street 1, the second line is street 2, and the third line is the city, and the fourth line is the country Pakistan, and the fifth setting is state, and that is I'm going to give Lahore. And if the state is not available, you can create one on the go. It's that easy. It's that easy, guys. So we have created, that's it. This is the state. Now next time when we select a state, so it will automatically give us Lahore. So the tax ID, next field is the tax ID. The tax ID is the income tax number of the company. Every country give income tax number to the company. And the next field is company ID. In most countries, company is given a separate registration number. So we have got field for this. We have entered that, and the currency is BKR we have selected, and the phone number and the mobile number, and the email is test@test.com, and the website is learnodoo.com, and the parent company. So what is the parent company, guys? In most you can say in most companies there are child companies. So the one company is master company or the parent company, and there are some small entities which we call companies working under that company. So if that's the case, then from here the parent company field we can select a parent company for this company. Okay, I hope you understand the concept of parent company and child company. So that's it. Very easy settings. Okay, now click go back to the company. Since we are in the Odoo Enterprise edition, it's automatically saving automatically. Okay, and you can see that we have created a new company, learnodoo.com, and here you can see my company list. From there you can select the company, in which company you are going to work, and then once you complete your work in that company, and then you select another company and making transaction in that company. So this way you can create a company. So once we have done this initial setting, there is more setting for company, and that's a general setting. And in the general setting, we can create users. We can like this in this user you can see here we can give email. Once we send invite the email, so the system will send email to the person, and that person then open the email, click the link, come to Odoo, make his password and ID. So the user is created that way. Here you can see that language setting. So there are many languages in the Urdu, like you can see German, French, Arabic, English, you can name it. So this way the Urdu is also useful and helpful, that many people in the world can run it in their own language. So you can see the company initial setting, like the street address 1, street address 2, and the city. We can change them, and here you can see that the already made template. You see this, the template. In these templates we can make changes, and we can make our own template of this, and then later we use these templates whenever it need to. And further configuration, you can see that here is the colors, which is for the time being black, but we can once we update our document configuration layout, and then we will select this color, and the color will automatically update it. These are the templates color. And configure documents layout, it will give us another window, and here it is a test document given, which we can change. We can change the light, and we can change it to boxed. We can download it. Clear the document, we can download it. Once it's downloaded, let me show it to you that how our documents looks like. Look at this. It is somewhat RNYs will look like. So we can select bold, we can select any kind of option which you like, and here we can select the font, which is a lot of font selected, and the logo. If you haven't uploaded the logo in the initial stage, you can upload your logo here. Once you upload your logo, then your logo will show here. And in the layout background, we can select colors. But for the time being it is black, but we can select it. Once we go down in the company template, see, company layout, the color is red and green. See, the color has been changed. It's how it's changing the documents. Geometric, you see the layout, geometric. And here is do it now. So if you write the text here, it is coming to your invoice or any other documents header. And you can see it change also the company detail, the address field. For example, you are inserting here a tax ID. If you haven't entered so far the weight ID, value added tax, which is a sales tax in many countries. In the Europe they call it, in the America they call it value added tax. And the footer, you see some automatic data are shown in the footer. This will be also shown in our documents. So you can see now in the color has been changed, and there are many settings. You can see the units of measurement, you can change whatever your company is deal, and you will select that. And the other setting is permission to the users. You can see here, you will read it in detail, and then you will select it. So you can see, guys, these settings were that important and so easy, and I hope that this video will be useful for you. And you are requested, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, you are encouraged to subscribe it, and please share it on social media, share it with your friends. So that's it for today. See you in my next video. Bye bye.